Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this Smart Band. First we need to wake up the screen on our Smart Band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system, and then tap on it to select it. And here we have the power off option. Tap on it and then tap on the check mark to turn off your device. Wait a second or two, and after that the Smart Band should be turned off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.